Hey guys, so today is my number one project pan update. So in this project pan, I have 13 items, and so this is going to be the progress. I think I'm going to do it every couple of months just because I've been having not too many problems getting through stuff. So I figure if I do it every couple of months, then it'll be a lot easier being able to roll things in so that I'm not just wasting time on just certain things. So anyway, without further ado, let's just jump right into this. Okay, so the first thing in this palette, we'll just start with also I'm just going to go down the list that I have. So in here is the Too Faced White Peach palette. This is what it's looking like. I don't know if you can see that as well. Oh geez, yeah, okay. So I have hit pan on this product here. So this is the first one. This one's got quite a big indent. This one's got quite a big indent. And I haven't really touched these two. Everyone else kind of, all the other ones kind of have an indent, but they're not really that indented. This one was already falling apart. Every time I use this one falls apart. So I don't quite know how long that's gonna last. There's literally pieces falling off of it. So I'm trying to use it as much as I can, but I'm also trying to make sure that it doesn't fall apart. And then I have this is a Sunset Bronzer. And I have hit pan on this. It's obviously getting a bit bigger with the pan. I use this pretty much every day. It's on my face today. I don't contour my face with it. I just put it on instead of blush pretty much. And then, yeah, but I've been using it every day, so I'm kind of excited about this. And then this is the AOA translucent powder. I've hit pan on this. So for these products, I'm not saying I want to hit pan. I said at the beginning of this that I want to finish them. So with like the bronzer and the eyeshadow palettes, and like these products, I want them gone. Like I don't want there to be any more product in them, but I am excited that that's hit pan. And then there's the Wet n Wild cushion. This one's hard to tell the progress. It still kind of looks the same, can't really tell. You'll be able to tell maybe in the weighing of them that I've been using this pretty much every day. But this is pretty much brand new, like not brand new, but like it was pretty much full when I started using it. So I have been using it every day. This one's just really hard to tell the progress. Maybelline primer. So this is where the line is here. I haven't put another line on this one because, to be perfectly honest, I haven't used it. I've been focusing on another primer. I did say in the other video when I started the project pan that I probably won't use this until it starts getting sunnier out, like with dewier skin and stuff. It's still not really nice out, so I haven't really used this one. And then there's the Colourpop highlighter, and I'm worried about taking the lid off, so I'll show you without taking the lid off. This is what it's looking. This is in Monster. This is the pearlized cheek. It's the highlighter. I've used this quite a bit. I use this in my inner corners. It's old. I've been trying to repress it. It crumbles. I'm trying to see if there's a way where I can put something in it that'll make it look better and not be so crusty, but I'm still trying to get through that. So then there is my Colourpop concealer. It's very hard to tell the progress of this one without actually weighing it. I use this every day. It's pretty much, if my face looks a bit weird today, it's because I use this as a foundation instead of a concealer. I was trying to see if the color would match better as a skin tone. It doesn't. So ignore my face if you think it looks a little bit off. It probably is. I think this is old. Honestly, I think it's too old. I don't think the color of it is the right color. So I'm not sure if it's just gotten darker as it's been staying in my cupboard for so long, but I've been using it every day. So I'm hoping to get this out sooner rather than later. Then there is my mascara. A lot of these are really hard to tell without weighing them. So I use this every day. It's what's on my eyelashes today. I've been really liking this one. And then I have this here, and this is the Milk Makeup Cooling. This is kind of where it's at. So I have used it. You can see that I've used it a bit. It looks like there's less in here. I mean, not a lot less, but there is definitely less in here. So I'm just going to continue to use this. This is hard. I find that this doesn't want to go anywhere. It barely looks like I use it. I use it pretty much every day. So then there are some other products. So then there was the $1 Billion Brow, and this is completely empty. There is no more product in here whatsoever. I tried to get as much of it out as I possibly could, and when it got down to the thing, I ended up having to dip a brush in there to finish an eyebrow. What had happened was I'd finished one of my eyebrows and then it was gone, and then I couldn't continue to use it. So then I actually had to dip something in there to use it for my other eyebrow. So that is empty. And I'll be replacing that, but we'll just keep on going, and then I'll tell you what I'm replacing things with. So this is the setting spray. This is where it was sitting. It is empty now. There's literally nothing left in here. So the Smashbox setting spray is empty. Then I have this here, and this is the Sunflower AOA oil cleaner, and it's gone. It looks busted and disgusting. It's got makeup on it. I scooped it out to finish it completely, so that is empty. And then there is the No Pore Blem Touch and Soul Primer. This is empty. I have tried to use a scooper to get all of the product out on the edges, so I'm calling this quits. So those are the 13 products that I have in my project pan, and because I finished 4 of them, I am going to actually replace 4 of them with other products. So the setting spray, I'm going to put in the Jeffree Star Morphe setting spray. This is the continuous setting spray. I'm not a huge fan of this one. I feel like this one makes my face sticky. The regular ones that I have from Morphe were fine. I guess maybe this is like the Starberry scent one, but it's something to do with maybe the Starberry scent in it. Makes my face feel a bit sticky. So I think this is the last one I have of the pink containers. So this is almost brand new, so I'm going to put that in there. This is the Too Faced Better Than Sex liquid liner, so that's what it looks like. I've had this for a while. I just haven't used it. I don't use liquid eyeliners very often. I barely use eyeliner anymore, so I figured I'd try to get through one of those. And then I'm going to put the 2 of them in together as a twofer. This is the Benefit Brow product. This is the pencil, and it's in 3.5. And then this one is the Gimme Brow Pomade, and this is in 3. I've been trying to do a little bit more natural. If you've noticed my brows, all it has is some of a different one of these in here. I've got a lot of Benefit products. Not because I bought them, because I've been giving them in boxy charms and top boxes and stuff like that. So I'm going to try to cycle through some more eyebrow pencils and such. And then the last item I'm putting in here is this is an AOA, oops, an AOA sequin, I don't know what that is. Okay, it's a balm. This is not the same kind of balm as this one. This is a cleaner, and then this is actually a cream. So you use it, and then you rub it on body parts. I like to use it on my elbows, my knees, my ankles, my feet, stuff like that. So I want to get through that. So that is that. So that was everything for March's update. This is the first update, so I mean, it's pretty good progress. I've gone through 4 products and hit pan on like 3, so, well, I guess 2 technically. I consider that really good progress. So stay tuned. I'll be doing the number 2 in May, and we'll see if I've hidden any progress in that. I'm probably gonna have to start using this because I don't have another primer in this project pan, so probably end up using that. But yeah, all right, well, that was everything for this update. I hope you guys are staying safe, and I hope you guys have a great day. Bye.